on the minimum price for milk and coffee. As you are aware, we already made provision of 4 billion shillings to support our coffee farmers. This will mean as you deliver your coffee in your coffee processing plant, the parchment, the cherry, you will receive 40 shillings. As you process and mill and dry and transport to the miller, you will get another 40 shillings. Totally 80 shillings. That is almost the minimum price of coffee now in Kenya. We will then be able to market this coffee, and whatever price we get, we will transfer back to the farmer as a bonus.
You will go to counties, you will go and meet people in their 70s, and they will tell you that they lost literally all their earnings on account of the SACCO movement. So we think that there is need for us, and I'm happy that Waziri, you organized this forum, and I know you've been working on this. We need to sit down and ask ourselves, how does one country have both extremes?
Arrange for small capacity building programs or small curricula for our small cooperatives and support our departments.
Cooperatives and enterprises